Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This tiny red color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 5980s. I want to make a note that now we are moving to the next contract. Since we will continue our video presentation with the next contract, because we didn't see much difference in the price of the previous contract and the next contract. Since our contract is going to expire today, we can move to the next contract. So what we expected yesterday was, we had made it very clear about the importance of this particular zone of 6000 and 6020. We had pointed out earlier the market had founded a good support that pushed the market towards 6100 zone. From that the market failed. So we put a lot of caution in this zone, and we requested you to follow our Goodwill Commodities starting tool also for getting a clear guidance. So right after the price opening, what happened? Like what happened earlier, the same way here. If you notice that on 12th of March, the market gave a bounce back from this particular area. In the same fashion, the market was really struggling to come down below this zone, and it provided a bounce back again. It entered into the key area of 6000 and 6020, where it found a good support. So you can see there was a lot of consolidation here. So people or traders are thinking whether to push from this zone to the next most important major resistance level or to continue its downtrend. Finally, it was the buyers who gained some upper hand, converting the 6000 and 6020, this particular zone, as a major support zone again. So that is the reason the price was pushed to slowly and steadily towards 6080, and finally we got a closing around 6071. So now we are, if you see that right after the price opening, it was a clear retracement what we witnessed in the yesterday's market, which may be due to a good profit booking, since the contract is going to expire. So this is quite normal in any market. After a very big drop, now we are witnessing a consolidation. So what we are witnessing now, we are witnessing a consolidation phase in crude oil market. So what we can do is that now let us go and see our Goodwill Commodities charting tool. This is the entire package of charting tool what we are providing free for our clients in order to assist you to take a valuable trading decision. Right after the price opening, it was indicating that there is some momentum for selling, but you can notice there was a clear retracement and the price was bouncing back into the key zone. So this is the major reason why we always insist you on understanding the candlestick price action and then applying our charting tool. So you would have avoided this type of indication. Even it had indicated that the price can come down, it is quite logical to wait and see what is happening in 6000 and 6020 zone. So you can notice the price was consolidating here. Right after then, our charting tool is providing a buy signal, clearly indicating that the momentum is on buying side. So kindly wait and don't go and sell according to the trend. Wait for the price to hit the resistance, or it is again indicating there is some support level, and it is also providing you an opportunity for buying. So in that same way, the price just clearly spiked, slowly and clearly is moving up, and finally we got a closing around 6071. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today. Today the expected price opening of crude oil can be somewhere below 6060 zone. So that is some bit of negative news for buyers, because if you see that if you closely monitor what happened in this particularly monitor this line, the blue color line whatever we had drawn here, after picking up after taking a support earlier, exactly after hitting 6060 the market fell down. And in this area also the market provided a resistance around the zone. Whenever I say a support or resistance, it is not a single line, it is a zone. So now you can, even if the price cleared 6060, you can see so many areas the market found this as a support and then it went back. So this 6060 has got the potential to act as an intermediate zone. Exactly yesterday also, if you notice that candlestick by candlestick, if you notice that the price was taking a resistance in this 6060, and after breaking this the market was quite comfortable staying above that. So we cannot underestimate this 6060. If the price was opening above 6060 or above the yesterday's market price closing, if the price is opening above the yesterday's market price closing, then we can clearly say that there is still some momentum for buying. But since the price had opened below 6060, we cannot be very sure that the buying will continue. Possibly the trend for the trend, which is the downtrend, that can continue, having 6060 as a major resistance. Today we have crude oil inventory report also. We should be very careful while trading or adding your positions. So what we are expecting, there will be a good consolidation that can happen around 6000 and 6000, this zone which we had marked with a box, orange color box, and 6060. So it is going to be a struggle within this zone. The market will take resistance around 6060, and again the price is likely to find some support in this zone. So it's going to be the coming contract. Make it very clear for this contract, the new contract, it all depends upon how you are going to position yourself within this zone. So if the price is taking resistance around 6060, and if we get a closing within the 6020 and 6000 zone or below this, you can expect crude oil to continue its downtrend. So if it is not happening, the price is taking a resistance around 6060, and again it's finding some support here, and if we see any price closing above 6060 in short term because of profit booking or a retracement, you can expect the price to reach the next zone of 6162. So I am going to mark it. This is the possible expected zone. Kindly use our goodwill charting tool Trade Signal. We make it very clear that our charting tool does not provide any signal without a reason. If it provides any signal, it has got a valuable reason. Please cross verify using your trading platform. Just check the levels, and then you will find the reason why it had provided a valuable trade signal. So it is all based upon reasoning. So try to understand why it is providing, and try to understand the sub price actions also. So what we are expecting, we are very clear. We will be targeting both the zone of 6060 and 6000 and 6020. We have crude oil inventory report, and the other thing is that after a market closing around 11:30, and we have another major news also, which is FOMC economic projections. So you should be very careful if you are holding your open positions. So think twice. If you are in loss, please don't try to hold your open position, because after our market closing we have some major news. So it is better you, if you are in profit, it is not a matter, and if you are in loss, try to close your open position and be careful, because today is a contract expiry also. So have a bit of caution. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.